Hey everybody, thank you for joining me here on this beautiful Wednesday, June 3rd, 2020. I'm Chris, I'm your South Jersey weather enthusiast, here to bring you all things weather related to New Jersey, particularly South Jersey, and we will try to include North Jersey as much as possible. Today we're going to be talking about the severe weather event that we discussed on Monday that's going to be happening today, and let's jump right into it. So, as of about an hour and a half ago, the SPC Storm Prediction Center has issued a severe thunderstorm watch for most of New Jersey, not including this northeastern section here. This will last until 3 o'clock this afternoon, and they are anticipating 70-mile-an-hour wind gusts being the primary threat, although some small hail and heavy rain as well as an isolated tornado cannot be ruled out. Going to our local weather office here in Mount Holly, you can see as of about 7 minutes ago, this is the severe thunderstorm watch here in pink. These yellow boxes here are severe thunderstorm warnings that are associated with the severe weather line that's about to move through, which we are going to take a look at momentarily. Pardon me. Checking out the local conditions here in South Jersey. Normally, I would use Mount Holly, South Jersey Regional as a kind of center point for South Jersey, but their data seems to be a bit off right now, so we're going to go with McGuire and Millville Airport. McGuire showing 84 degrees with a dew point of 60 and 45% humidity, and then Millville showing 87 degrees with same dew point of 60 and 40% humidity. So basically, looking at this information, that tells us that we have some pretty good conditions for severe weather to move in and not stabilize as it comes through, which would cause the storms to deteriorate. Switching now to the local radar out of McGuire Air Force Base. This is the latest radar images here. You can see the severe line of storms moving through Pennsylvania, coming into the Harrisburg, and now about to move into the York and Lancaster, Allentown areas, which are all under severe thunderstorm warnings. This line is expected to continue on this south easterly track and come down into South Jersey. At the current rate of progression, I'd expect to see these here by around 1 o'clock. Here's the storm relative velocity. You can see this basically shows the wind speed in knots moving towards and away from the radar site, which is here. This is just virga, meaning basically static occurring here. This is what we're looking at. So you can see some pretty deep reds and some pretty deep greens that are moving this way, and that's an indicator of pretty strong winds in the atmosphere associated with these storms. I want to switch over to the HRRR computer model, but I am going to prefix that the models didn't really have this first line that's coming through on here until this latest 14Z run of the HRRR. So my confidence in the models is a little lacking at the moment. It may improve as we go along in the event and they get more ground data and update their outputs. But as of right now, I'm taking what the models are saying with a grain of salt and going with what's currently on the radar as the systems advance. So you can see it shows this line of storms that we're just looking at over in Pennsylvania, moving in, and then kind of moving through New Jersey. It's around 2 o'clock. It's actually going offshore. Then a second line of severe possible around 6 p.m. Coming into Jersey around 7 p.m. and then pushing offshore around 8 p.m. Maybe another little isolated shower. But again, I'm taking this with a grain of salt. So, back to our local radar here. What it comes down to is we're going to have to keep an eye on this throughout the day today. Be prepared for it. Be prepared for the high winds. Make sure that if you have any loose trash cans, lawn furniture, etc., you got it tied down. And just be safe. If you get one of these severe thunderstorm warnings that are issued for your area, make sure you heed it and take shelter immediately to prevent any injuries or property damage or anything like that. So I'll be keeping an eye on this throughout the day. I'll be posting it on my Twitter at SNJWeatherEUTH. If you wanted to give that a follow, I'll post it in the video information. And thank you guys for watching, and hopefully we get through these storms and everybody's safe. Have a great day.